Useful techniques for affiliate marketing to boost your bottom line. Affiliate marketing can be a very exciting business venture that anyone can enter into for their business. However, for a beginner, using a good affiliate program can be a tad bit tricky. So what should a novice do to learn how to use affiliate marketing? Well, read the tips in this video to start with. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, make it easy for your reader to draw out the information they want. Avoid complicated terms or technical jargon, keep your paragraph short, and use bullet points whenever possible. Readers are more likely to scan your review quickly and make a decision than they are to read through a lengthy video. When creating an affiliate marketing program, the best thing you can do to attract and hold on to quality affiliates is to have good communication. If you respond to their issues, and provide good service to them, they feel like a valued part of your company. A valued affiliate will stick around and will give better reviews of your product. When creating links as part of an affiliate marketing program, pay attention to your underperforming links and videos. If after about 200 clicks you have not seen a single sale, remove that link. That link is just sitting there costing you money and will not provide a return on your investment. Promote your affiliate link on content sites. Although this is an old affiliate marketing technique, it still works, providing you post high quality, unique content along with your link. If you do not have time to write a quality video yourself, then consider outsourcing the work. It is important to know your audience when also using affiliate marketing. If you are writing a cosmetics blog, don't choose affiliate ads which are for car parts. The more an affiliate ad relates to what your website or blog is about, the higher the chances are that your current customers or followers will use the affiliate links. Examining an affiliate's sales conversion ratio can tell a webmaster whether or not the affiliate is worth working with. This is the percentage of visitors to the affiliate's website that become paying customers. Affiliates that cannot manage to make sales to even 1% of their visitors are not performing strongly enough to incorporate into a successful affiliate marketing network. Now you should be able to see why affiliate marketing can be such an exciting business venture. There is so much work and promotion you can do to help your online business get more traffic, customers, and sales. With these tips in mind, you can start marketing like a real pro. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.